Hello everyone, I am introvert Srishti trying to be an extrovert for the sake of this channel. Welcome to Vocal for Local. This is a series in which I intend to be vocal about local people, places and products. I am currently a local of Ambikapur, the cleanest city in Chhattisgarh state as per Swatch Sarvekshan report 2020. Ambikapur is India's first city to have digitized garbage management system and also has first garbage cafe in the country where you can buy a full meal in exchange of 1 kg of plastic waste. In today's episode of Vocal for Local, I'm going to go around and show you all various cafes of Ambikapur. The very first cafe that I went in is Fresspressos. They are located in Banaras Road, Ambikapur, in front of petrol pump, the Ambika petrol pump. Their opening hours is from 10 am to 10 pm and they serve beverages and Italian, Chinese and South Indian cuisines. As for me, this is the cutest cafe in Ambikapur because I love the interiors. You come along with me and see. यदि आप उन व्यक्तियों में से हैं जिन्हें किताबें पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है तो फिर तो आपको ये कैफ़े बहुत पसंद आने वाला है क्योंकि यहाँ किताबों का संग्रह है। ये किताबों का संग्रह बहुत सारा तो नहीं है पर जितना है वो अच्छी किताबें हैं और मुझे ये किताब बहुत पसंद आई जो कि एक चेकोस्लोवाकियन राइटर, क्लासिक राइटर के द्वारा लिखा गया है। इस बुक का नाम है एमेक। I am someone who loves cute and warm places rather than big and huge places. So if you are also someone whose type of cafe is small and cute, then this is the cafe for you. In terms of food, I personally love their Nescafe. I think it's the best Nescafe that we can get in town. And their sandwiches are very good and I love their chow mein. And the best part is I love their dessert. So yeah, I love the sizzling brownie. We are done here, so now let's move on to the second cafe. The second cafe that I checked out is Juice Factory. It is located in MG Road, Ambikapur Chowk, Ambikapur. Its operating hours is 9 am to 11 pm. At Juice Factory, their mission is to help everyone to have easy access to healthier life through juicing. Now we are in Juice Factory and the funny thing is I thought कि यहाँ बस ये लोग जूस बेचते हैं बट ऐसा नहीं है। कल मेरी फ्रेंड ने बताया कि ये लोग सैंडविच और बाकी सब बेचते हैं क्योंकि मैं तो पिछले बार आती थी तो मैं उधर मेन्यू ढंग से देखती नहीं थी, मैं बस जूस पी के चले जाती थी। सो शी हैज़ रिकमेंडेड मी कि मैं कौन चीज़ सैंडविच ट्राई करूँ, सो आई एम ट्राइंग दैट। Wallets and do they accept cards? Cards accept? Yes, cards also they accept. So no problem if you don't have cash, you can come and check out this place and this is a great place to hang out and especially to have healthy foods. We also have Cafe de Beverages in Ambikapur and now we are here and they claim to serve the best coffee in the town and therefore we are here to try the coffee. Coffee de Beverages is located next to Mega Shop, Banaras Chowk, Ambikapur. They are open from 10 am to 11 pm. In the evening, I visited the last cafe for this episode. Currently, this cafe is the most happening place in the town. The tables were fully occupied and we had to wait for a table to open. They hold live singing on every Sunday 7 pm onwards. Their location is Banaras Road, Circus Ground beside Ambika Petrol Pump and they open from 12 am to 10:30 pm every day and they are the Farsi Cafe TFC.
There